Good morning to everyone. Yes, students, today we'll start, that is the lesson number 19, patterns. Yes, okay, so already you learnt up to 18 lessons. So this is the last lesson of your textbook. Okay, and here see students what we will be studying after knowing this lesson. Here see, so get familiar with the sequence of simple patterns found in shapes in the surroundings. For example, stamping activities, so using fingers or thumbs and using familiar objects, so like etc, like these activities you will be finding. And next one, complete a given sequence of a simple patterns found in a shapes in the surroundings. Shapes we will be finding in the surrounding object we will be collecting and we will be find out the shapes. So each and everyone things having a different shapes, you know that is. Yes, so they can given here some of the patterns forming using a cut slice of vegetables. Yes students, so try this activity. It's a very interesting activity and also it's look very nice. So if you are cutting, take any vegetables like lady's finger you can take, and bitter gourd, then you can take cucumber, so all you can be take. So take the vegetables, cut a slice of that one. So what it is, put in a ink, any color ink you can take on that one. So you can be, so like you can be slice in the on the blank paper, so you can see the different designs we will be see. Yes students, we will see the different designs in the textbook, we will try. Okay, so 1 or 2 we will be try in the textbook. Okay, we will continue this lesson through our textbook. Yes, see here, so we can understanding that is they can be given here colors. See, they are using what? So they are using a vegetables. Here see bitter gourd they are using. So here also using, here also they can using a lady's finger. Yes, so they can using a what vegetables. So they cut slices and so they merge in the ink, any color ink you can take, they merge in the ink and you can be put like this. Yes, so okay, see here, use cut vegetables and make your own pattern. So you can be use cutted what vegetables you can be make your own patterns, like flowers you can be make, and like you can be make a round shape, so or as rectangle shape, any shapes you can be make. Yes, so you can be use these cut vegetables and make a different pattern. Okay, see here, see they can given here, observe the patterns formed by leaves. So here see they can be taken a different type of leaves they can be taken, and so they merge in the different colored ink and they'll make like same as it is, we can see the leaves. Yes, but these are not leaves, they are using they are merged in color and they are apply in the this textbook. So you can see this, you can be finding the leaves, different color of leaves. Understood this is? Okay. Yes, see here they can be given here, create your own pattern using leaves of different shapes. So we can use different shapes of leaves. We will see I am using here. So this is I'll taken here different kinds of leaves. So okay, this is one type of leaf. Yes, so this is also one type of leaf and also this is also one type of leaves. So we are using these different types of leaves and we will make a different pattern. Yes, leaves one I'll do here. See, I'm using here blue color. What color? So here I merge in this color into the ink, or as any color you can take. So like you can be put here. So this is one color, one leaf. Okay, and here see another one I'll take here, merge in the ink. Okay, and here see this is a different color, different leaf. Okay, and here see this is next one. Okay, see these are the leaves. Okay, so I'm using one leaf and see here, so this is a one branch of leaves, like you can be do. Okay, so we are using a leaves. So I'll make here see different pattern. So joining these leaves like Yes, this is a one branch of leaves branch. Yes, like here you can see here different color, like so this pattern, different shapes we will be do in the pattern. Yes. I am using this a long leaf. Yes, like you can be do here. Same method I am using this one. Okay, so this is another one, leaves. Same, different also you can be using of leaves, you can be make flower. Yes, so that is also it comes. So the branch of leaves I am making here. So this is a branch of leaf. Yes, so I am using the branch of leaf. Yes, using like you are also make a different leaves, using a leaves and make a different pattern. Understood? Yes. And also here see students, so they can given here, observe the patterns formed by stamping thumb. They are using a different shapes they are using here. See, this is one shape using 4 thumb. So this is a flower. Yes, this is half like. So the single, second one, single thumb, 2 thumb, 3, 4, 5, 6, like they can using a thumbs. So they make a different pattern. Yes, so same way, observe the patterns formed by stamping of fingers and hand. Okay, so observe the patterns formed by stamping of a fingers and hand. See, that is pattern formed by stamping of fingers and hand also they are using, so like hand also they are using, and also so using thumb, and also they are using these type of fingers, these type of pattern. Yes, so this is like looking like a bird. Yes, so this is looking like a bird. You are also do like using of stamping. So here see, create a different pattern using a thumb impression of thumb and fingers. So here see, so I am using thumb, I am doing now flowers. This is 1, 2, joining these like, so looking like these all are looking like petals. Yes, so using yes, so using thumb and make a flower. So you are also same way you can be doing flower, or as anything you can be do. So this is like what? Flower. Understood? So here see, this is look like flower. Yes, so using the impression of thumb and fingers also you can be use, so you can be make a different pattern. Understood? This is okay. Yes, here see students, they can be given here. See the following patterns and color as directed. So see the following patterns. See, they can be given here. Following patterns they can be given here. So you can see the first one question what they can given here. Color like this shape a pattern with red color. So this is a which shape it is? This is a square shape pattern. So we can be color square shape pattern in a red. Okay, so using of red we can be color these patterns. 1, second one this is third one pattern, fourth one pattern. Yes, see, so we are using which color? Red color with a which one pattern? This is a square. Okay, yes, second one they can given here color with a rectangle green. So this is a pattern, so we can use the color of this pattern, so that is green color. Okay, so we are using the pattern rectangle, we are using green color. So give the color of green. Yes, so we are give the color of this pattern. Yes, so that is which color? Green color. Okay, so that is a rectangle. Next one they can given a color the circle with the blue color. So circle pattern, this is also pattern, no? So that Which color? We can give the color of blue. Circle, object. This is a pattern. See, big circle, small circle, triangle. Big, small, triangle. Big, small, triangle. Like this is a pattern. The arrangement of the what? Numbers are as a objects. Okay. And next one they can given here. See, second one. Observe the patterns. Draw two more. Observe the patterns. Draw two more. Like here, see, this is a square, circle, circle. Square, circle, circle. Same pattern it can be repeating here. See, square, circle, circle. Square, circle, circle. Yes. So this is big circle, two small. Big circle, two small circle. Big circle, two small circle. Big circle, two small circle. Yes. So these three are triangles, one circle. Triangles, circle. Three triangles, one circle. Three triangles, yes, one circle. Understood this is? Okay. Next one they can given here. See, third main. Fill in the missing patterns. Yes. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 T are straight. This is a like it is. One is a what it is return. Okay, back side. So here 3 are straight. Here 2 are bent. 1, 2, 2 are straight. I'll do here. 3 are bent. Like this is going on like this pattern. Okay. Yes. Next one here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there here dots. That's a small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and next I'll draw here only 3. Okay. So continuation of missing pattern. And here see. So this is in one circle. That is one line it comes here. So this is in one circle. So 2 line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Understood this is? Okay. So this is a patterns how it can be going on. Yes. Okay. Understood students this one? Yes students. So I hope you understood this lesson. So totally your first standard portion is completed. Yes. So any doubts you can be asked. Okay. So I hope you understood this one. Thank you for watching.